strum so bright. H is for hat, wear it tight. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jam, spread it on my tummy. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, where eggs are found. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for pencil, drawing with me. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, shining down. S is for sun, bright in the sky. T is for train, chugging on by. U is for umbrella, keeps me dry. V is for violin, play it